In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Xero Employee Portal. If you're an employee needing quick access to your payslips, timesheets, or personal details, the Xero Employee Portal is where you'll head. We'll keep this simple, clear, and efficient so you can get in without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and type Xero.com directly into the address bar at the top of the window, then press Enter. Be sure you're typing into the address bar, not a search box, so you land on the official website straight away. When the page loads, glance at the URL to confirm it says Xero.com and look for the small padlock icon in the browser, which indicates a secure connection. If your network is a bit slow or you're on a company device with filters, give the page a moment to fully load. Once you're on the Xero homepage, look for the Log In option. This is typically located in the top right corner of the page. If you're using a phone or a smaller screen, it may be inside a menu icon near the top, so check there as well. Click Log In to move to the sign-in page. You'll see a field that asks for your email. Enter the work email address that's associated with your Xero employee access. Take a second to double-check the spelling and make sure there aren't any extra spaces before or after the address. Tiny typos can prevent you from getting in. If your company uses multiple email domains, use the one your employer originally used when setting up your access. After you've entered your email, simply follow the on-screen prompts that appear. A few quick tips as you go. If the site detects a different region, that's normal. Xero adjusts content based on your location, but the login works the same. If the homepage doesn't open or looks unusual, recheck that you typed Xero.com correctly. Even a small mistake can lead you to a different site. If your browser shows a security warning, pause and make sure you're on the official domain before proceeding. If the system says your email isn't recognized, that usually means your account hasn't been invited or activated yet. In that case, contact your company's payroll or HR administrator to confirm your access. And if you need help with your details, use the help links on the login page so your existing employee records stay connected correctly. That's all there is to it. Go to Xero.com, select Login, enter your email, and follow the prompts on screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get into your Xero Employee Portal with confidence.